All right, I'm back. Let's see if this is better. Let me know if it's better. I see I'm on. I'm going to give it a minute again so I could see your comments. I'm waiting. See, I don't know if that's going to be better. I see 2 people. 15. I'm waiting for the comments to come up. I just lost my head. Hi, Teresa. Is that much better? Okay, good. Hello again. Seems better now. Yay, Donna. Okay, so let me start over. Look for vases. See, these are 2 different ones. This one's thinner on top. This one's a little thicker. Look for bowls. If you can find things together, that way you can put them together in the thrift store and see if they will all work. This bowl works on both of them. This bowl works on both. The head is the hard part. Now I might run to Dollar Tree tomorrow because they have a round glass bowl, but I think it might be too big, but I'll see. See, then you're going to attach. Now, this is where I had the problem, is with these things. Hooking these on to get them to stay. So I might try this flex glue. It says it bonds like instantly. You hold it for 10 to 30 seconds, and you can even use it vertical, horizontal. So let me take his head off so I don't break it. Because then you would take this and glue it to the back. And that is going to be the wing. Ooh, if I don't break everything. See, that's the wings on this one. But see how thin this face is? You can use all different ones. Short ones, tall ones. But I think I'm going to try the flex glue. But I got to find a head first, guys, before I can show you. Sally's back. Yay, Sally. Hi, Dorothy. Oh, my goodness, how cute. They are cute. And then you just put them over that solar light. But I'm still thinking I might try to cut the wings out of the Dollar Tree foil pants. I don't know. I think I might like the silver. Will show up better than the glass. It'll give it a different look. Hi, Kathy. Hi, Teresa. I'm glad I'm working better. I want to tell you another thing to look for while you're out thrift shopping. I cannot thrift shop yet. Ours are not open. I don't know if you've ever been on Pinterest and saw the Snowmans. I missed that. Sherry, can you put solar twinkle lights in the angels? I don't see why not. Oh, that's probably better than just the solar light. Oh, as long as they're for outdoor. Make sure they're for outdoor. Oh, that is so cute. Thank you, Amy. They are cute. For the snowman, look for, I've seen on Pinterest where they take these pretty glass bowls or candle holders. This looks like it might be a candle holder. And they attach them on top of each other. So look for cute glass bowls, and here's what's hard to find. I found this last year. Look it. This is a candle holder, but it's like a hat. So when you build the snowman, you'll be able to glue this hat on top. I went thrift shopping. A few here are open, but didn't find anything. Well, if they just opened, give them time to get all their stuff out. Hot glue 2 foil pans together to make them stronger. Oh, good idea, Donna. I am going to try. I told you, though, I'm not good at drawing, so we'll have to see how my wings come out. But look for these little hat things. And here's this one. This is a smaller one. We would need a smaller headpiece. But check these out. This one I got for 99 cents at the Goodwill. Hi, Diane. Hi, Glinda. Hi, Margaret. I am going to try to go plant my plants before the downpour. I have like 30 plants to plant. Love the snowman. Becky, did you see them on Pinterest? I saw them last year, but I never got the pieces to make them because I like the pretty cut glass for them. Love it. Thank you, Marge. I'm so excited to make these. Betty Rose, let's make these angels. You're funny, Danny. You have to go to Goodwill and find the pieces, or a yard sale or Salvation Army. Love your glass pieces. Thank you, Linda. I stash them. When I see pretty ones, I stash them. So I got Rubbermaids full upstairs, but nothing to use for the heads. Thank you for sprinkling, Tammy. Hi, Donna. Sherry, don't use the flex. Linda, is that not good? Is the flex not good? It's waterproof and it doesn't shrink. What about some old corrugated tin? Oh, that would be better, but I do not have that. I'm looking for Linda why not to use the flex? Just joined. Hun, can you show your angel again? Yes, this is one. This is one angel. And this is another angel. See, this one's shorter. The wings are different. Our Goodwill is not open either. It's so hard not to be able to shop. Yes, it is. I'm sort of getting, I know we all want to stay safe, but I'm sort of getting a little cranky that I can't go anywhere. I have 2 crystal snowmen. Oh, Beverly, did you make those? Good afternoon. Nice to see you. Love the angels. Thank you. So keep your lookout for the vases, the bowls, the little plates, and something small enough to use for the head. Some kind of small candle holder or a little bowl. I might even have to go through my cupboards and see if there's something glass up there I can use. I tried it and it ruins the piece. Oh, thank you, Linda. I guess I'm not going to use that then. I guess I'm going to use either the silicone or I'm really loving my Gorilla Clear Grip. Oh my God, that is so beautiful. Thank you, Dee. What is everybody doing today? Beautiful. I can't wait to find pieces to make one. Yay, Cindy. Let me know. And when you make one, make sure you post it. But now I want to go get some solar outdoor twinkle lights. I'm gathering up glass things to make flowers. I had a hard time with the flowers. I had a hard time finding a glue to work for the flowers. Love this idea. Thank you, Missy. All right, guys, I don't want to keep you on all afternoon. I'm sure you're all busy. I bought them at a party plan. Oh, you bought them, Beverly. Somebody must have made them. Would love to make both. Susan, I want to make the snowman. I've made the angel, so now I want to make the snowman. But if I find a head, maybe we could do a live on the angels. And I'm going to try to cut the wings out of the metal pants. And I am going to put 2 together, make them stronger. All right, guys. Have a great day and keep crafting. And I am going to go plant my plants. I just started watching your videos. Love your ideas. Thank you, Teresa. Thank you for being here. Maybe I'll see you all guys later. If not, tomorrow I will think of something that I want to do for a live. I'm not sure yet. All right, guys, have a wonderful, wonderful Friday. I'll talk to you later. Bye.